Friends, somewhere it is the dream of all of us that Shenu reaches the level of 1 rupee from where we can make a huge profit from here. Many investors, especially Indians, have invested a huge amount and in a very large number. That is, even every Indian keeps Shiba Inu in some quantity with him. The dream of all of us is that Shenu reaches 1 cent someday. That is, it reaches the level of 1 rupee. But even after so many years, we have got disappointment somewhere. In the last bull run that we saw, we noticed how the market made huge profits. But if we wait for 2 long years while Ash Army remained completely loyal, and here in this long period of 2 years, no one had the courage to sell an Ash. We were holding Ashish on a regular basis from here to here. In the meantime, if you see, once a big profit comes here, but still the profit that we actually want, Shiba Inu has not yet given it. Now our plan is that Shiba Inu should even once give a big rally from which our profit can be made for the maximum time. But we'll be seen doing that because the current situation and circumstances are not allowing Ash to go to the moon. Now what is that situation and what condition is being created? Because when I look at Ash and especially look at meme coins, I definitely see a hope. I see a hope that there is a possibility of making money in the market, but every time something like this happens, the problem gets stuck, or I should say that such wheels take some decision here which makes the whole plan fail. For example, if you look at it a while back, due to the decision of Trump, he removed the tariff. Then there were discussions about removing the Fed chairman. After that, if you look at the SEC chairman, Gary Gensler, there was discussion about his replacement. There are some such names, and it is said that Gary Gensler is running the SEC according to his own will, and he has a liberal attitude towards crypto. Otherwise, somewhere or the other, Trump can make some big move from here. But you will have to see here that the easiest way for Shiba to go up is Bitcoin. If Bitcoin performs the way it is, we have seen on many occasions that at that time SH also performs very well here, somewhere or the other, and whatever type of big institutions or wheels or other types of upheavals going on in the market right now, if we believe all those news, then somewhere in the future, it seems that Bitcoin can make a big record soon, because everyone's eyes are on Bitcoin at this time. You will see that 80 coins are not making as much profit as Bitcoin is making, and if Shiba Inu also moves behind Bitcoin, then we can get maximum time return from SH also. If you look at the present, then you know that investors are setting a target of $1 lakh for Bitcoin. But a very small target here, even $3 lakh, $5 lakh, and some crypto expert analysts have even mentioned a target of $1 lakh, or even $1 lakh here. That is $1 million. Now you can understand how big a record is being made with Bitcoin because of the type of situation in the market. Now, look here, 4 such warehouse companies are bringing back Bitcoin ETFs, and this will attract millions of investors. Now you can understand how the craze of ETFs is reaching the level of madness in America. Now the warehouse companies are also bringing their Bitcoin ETFs. So you can understand who all are jumping into ETFs because of Bitcoin. Now you can guess from this news that the big companies of other sectors are also trying their hand at ETFs. And they are only looking at the world of Bitcoin and crypto and think that this is an opportunity to make big money and create wealth, and we should move ahead in this. Anyway, another news will surprise you here. Also see, here Coinbee is expanding its $1 million Bitcoin loans. You can understand that the type of loan that Coin provides, if it is expanding further in BTC, then it is a clear indication of where the world is heading. And I say many times in my videos and course series that if you have a long-term vision, then you should keep some coins in your portfolio, including Bitcoin, which you can keep for the long term. Then you can get maximum time profit from them. And I have said on many occasions that the same is the case with Bitcoin as well, and with Shenu as well. Just like we can keep Bitcoin for a long-term vision, similarly, if you keep Shiba Inu for a long-term vision, keep SH with a long-term strategy. So there is a possibility that Shiba Inu can reach the level of 1 rupee one day. However, I am not a crypto advisor. This video is being shot for educational purpose. There is no crypto advice in this. You should invest in any coin only after consulting your crypto advisor.